Yoni Mudra or Shanmukhi Mudra. Sit in a comfortable meditative posture like Padmasana or Siddhasana. If you cannot sit in these asanas, then you may simply cross your legs. Keep your spine straight and head erect, eyes and lips are gently closed, and place both the palms on the respective knees in Gyan Mudra. Relax the whole body. Raise the arms in front of the face with elbows pointing sideways. Place both the palms over the face in the following way. With the thumbs flap off the respective ears. Place the index fingers on the closed eyelids. Place the middle fingers on both sides of the nostrils without obstructing the breathing. Place the ring and little fingers above and below the mouth. Inhale slowly and deeply using full yogic breathing. At the end of an inhalation, close the nostrils with the middle fingers. Retain the breath inside for as long as is comfortable. There may be many sounds or none at all. Just listen. When need to exhale, release the fingers from the nostrils and then exhale slowly. This is one round. Again breathe in to start another round. We have to practice this for 5 to 10 minutes to begin with and gradually building up over a period of months up to 30 minutes. Physically, the energy and heat from the hands and fingers stimulate and relax the nerves and muscles of the face. This practice helps in the treatment of eye, nose and throat infections and to alleviate vertigo. Mentally, it balances the internal and external awareness. This pranayama needs to be avoided in case of depression. To end the practice, lower the hands to the knees, keeping the eyes closed, and slowly begin to externalize the mind by becoming aware of external sounds